Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do my first retroactive travel video. It's not going to be an in the moment travel vlog, but the next few videos I'm going to make until I can travel again are going to be just informational videos about places that I have been. And they're just going to cover like things to do, places where you can take photos and stuff along those lines so that I can help you to plan your future trips. Today we're going to focus on a trip that my dad and I took last summer. I decided doing these videos, it would make the most sense to just kind of do them in chronological order. So last summer we road tripped from Missouri down to California, which is obviously a really long trip. So we did make some stops along the way, and the first one was in Moab, Utah. So that is what we're going to talk about. So get ready, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and let's get started. So if you're going to Moab, you should go to Moab. It's a beautiful area in the country. It's very deserty. It's a very popular spot for like hiking and nature. It's right next to Arches National Park and Canyonlands National Park. While we were there, we did spend a day in Arches, but unfortunately we didn't have time to go to Canyonlands. But I would definitely go back to Moab. It's a very beautiful place, like I said. So today we're not going to focus on either of the national parks, though. We're going to talk about Corona Arch. I know the name is fitting. And why you should hike there, or if you have a drone, why you should fly your drone there. That's basically what this video is about. You obviously can't fly drones in national parks, but you can fly on land that is operated by the Bureau of Land Management. It's public land, so you can fly drones there. As of the recording of this video, obviously drone laws are always changing, so make sure you double check before you fly there. But yeah, so it's a gorgeous place to fly. There's a lot of BLM land around Moab, and we were going to go to some more places, but we just didn't have time. We didn't really schedule it that well. And we were only there, I think, like 2 nights, so next time. But we did go to Corona Arch, so let me just kind of walk you through that. First of all, Corona Arch is really easy to get to. It's just a few miles from Moab, so you don't really have to drive very far. And then there's a parking lot, and then there's a hike. It's 3 miles round trip if you go all the way to the arch. We didn't end up going all the way to the base of the arch just because the light was kind of failing, and also we got to this point where you had to climb up this rock, and I don't know how from that point how the trail goes, but like I said, we were kind of running out of light and I wanted to fly the drone. And the good thing about having a drone is you don't have to do the entire hike. You can just fly to the place instead and still get awesome photos. So we found a little like overhang that was shady where we could sit, and we still had line of sight on the arch and the drone. And I sent the drone up, and I got some really good photos and video footage. It was sunset and it was beautiful. There isn't really much else to say, I guess. I'm just saying that you should go to Corona Arch. There's another arch too right next to Corona Arch, and it's called Bowtie Arch. It doesn't really stick out as much. as Corona Arch. You kind of have to go right underneath it, I think, to see it the best. But it is over there if you want to check another arch off your list while you're in the area. Obviously, there's like dozens to look at. And yeah, so that is it, I think, for today's video. It's not a very long one, but hopefully you watched it all the way through. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. In the comments, let me know if you've ever hiked to Corona Arch, if you have flown a drone there, if you like the photos you got, any of that kind of stuff. I am going to do maybe one more video about Moab before I move on. But yeah, I think we are pretty much good. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an awesome day wherever you are, and peace out.